Tell me about Lincoln Woods State Park.
Okay, Lincoln Woods is basically a few miles outside of Providence, located in Lincoln, Rhode Island. It's about 627 acres of property, a bunch of multi-use trails. We have mountain biking, they have kayaking at the pond, there's horseback riding, a lot of walking trails around the area. And it's really kind of a great venue for everything.
How many miles of trails does it have?
There's about 16 miles of trails total. You know, they change from time to time. And you find trails that are on no map a lot of times. So you kind of, every time you go out, it's a new experience, to say the least. So one of the other features in Lincoln Woods is all these glacial erratics or boulders, and it's one of the premier places for bouldering, which is basically climbing up the rocks without any ropes or anything like that.
No protection or anything?
No, the only protection you have is you have these crash pads we put on the ground, and REI actually has a lot of classes. We do a lot of classes down here in bouldering. So this is Sunset Rock. It overlooks Olney Pond. It's kind of like one of the favorite stopping areas we have during our classes. We always come here and do like a photo op and stuff like that, and people just like to take a break here. Sometimes we'll do lunch here if it's really nice. It's got a really great view of the beach, both inlets on both sides and around the corner. And it's just a really peaceful place